Maarif Foundation is operative in Pakistan, and it has been supporting the relations between Turkey and Pakistan for many years at the level of people, and our relations between Pakistan and Turkey are unparalleled, unique kind of relations, and we have deep history.
And what was the behavior of Pakistani students?
They are like brothers. Most of them, they are saying we are brother countries.
Okay.
Also,
Well, we have a lot of programs. We have medicine and health science program.
Okay, we offer scholarship opportunities to the students as well. If they apply with their HSSC results, with their
Pak-Turk Maarif International Schools and Colleges facilitates Pivotal Turkish University Fair in Pakistan.
Here from Marcus TV USA, Islamabad. We are here in Marriott, an exhibition, Expo exhibition of education, which is organized by Pak-Turk Maarif. Manner, you are welcome with our TV, Marcus TV USA, Islamabad.
Thank you so much.
Manner, what do you say about your university?
Well, my university is a great university. I got graduated from the same university, and now I work in the same university, and because I fell in love with my university.
What kind of education your university is offering for Pakistani students?
Well, we have a lot of programs. We have medicine and health science program. We have engineering programs. We have a communication and design. We have a very long list of programs, and we provide it in English and Turkish language. So the student can choose which language he would like to study.
Why Pakistani students get admission in your university? Even they have lot of universities here in Pakistan.
Okay, we give a very international education. Let's talk about medicine. We have our own hospital, our Istanbul vacant hospital. We have a lot of technology, and that hospital and patients who already came to our hospital is international patients, so they can study and work and make their internship and practice in the same hospital that we have.
You mean to say if a student complete his education in Turkey, you are offering a job also?
We not offering a job, but we offering an exhibition just like this one, and the companies came to this to that fair of the exhibition, and they offer job.
You are from University of which university you told me?
They can't.
You are university from Bakan. Okay, if a person get complete his education from the University of Istanbul Bakan, can he get a job?
We can get them opportunity to job.
If he did his, if he complete his education in a medicine,
Yeah.
you mean if he complete his MBBS from the University of Istanbul Bakan, then you are offering also a job to the students?
Not a job. We can make a fair so the other companies can offer them a job.
Thank you, Manner. We are with Manner. Manner telling us that the University of Istanbul, Bakan, is offering different programs, such like engineering, medical, and
Engineering, medicine, and
engineering.
communication and designing.
Design.
We also have it in Turkish and English language.
You are offering the course duration, please.
Uh,
1 year, 2 year.
for bachelor degree is 4-year program.
Bachelor degree is 4 and master degree
And master degree, 2 years program.
2-year program.
Yes.
They are offering bachelor and master degrees, and the bachelor degrees is a 4-year program, and master degree is a 2-year program.
We also offer PhD programs.
She's saying they are also offering a PhD. We welcome here in Pakistan.
Thank you
and
so
thank
much.
you.
Thank you so much.
You're saying that you're offering the subjects.
Yes, we offer in 8 different faculties education, and it is all in English except for health sciences and faculty of law. We have engineering faculty, communication, we have business, we have arts and science, faculty of fine arts and science, and medicine and law.
Okay. Pakistani student, you know the Pakistan is a poor country.
Yeah.
If a student need to go in a Turkish, what kind of facility you are offering as a student to the Pakistani students?
Okay, we offer scholarship opportunities to the students as well. If they apply with their HSSC results, with their A-level results, with their SAT results, according to their scores, they can get 25% or 50% scholarship according to that. Also, they can get academic merit scholarships after they begin their studies in our university.
And what kind of percentage you set for the students if a student have a 50% marks in general subjects here in Pakistan? Can he get education? Can he get admission in a Turkish university? Or can he get a scholarship from the Turkish university or not?
We require 60% success rate amount to be accepted to the programs, but for the scholarships they have to at least have 65% or 70% of success rate in their HSSC exams.
What do you say about the Pakistani student? Are they taking interest for the admission in Turkish universities?
Yeah, they do. Actually, our booth was visited many times by many students today. So they're actually wondering how can they enroll to our universities.
I must say you thank you.
Sure, of
Fine
course.
cooperation.
Thanks for your time, always. Have a nice day.
Chokal Injan, you're most welcome here in Pakistan.
Thank you very much.
You know that there's a lot of students here.
Right.
Those who are very much interested to get education from the Turkey.
True.
It shows the gathering of the students that they are willing to get education from the Turkish.
Right.
You have you have an office here in Pakistan.
Right.
You are providing consultancy education, also in a traveling.
Right. Travel service also.
Tell me something about yourself, please.
Thank you very much. My name is Engin Tokol and I am from Turkey. We are operating here since 2013. We are a travel agency and consultancy company. For today, we are here for the Pak-Turk Maarif schools are arranging this exhibition, and we are very thankful for this kind of support because many students want to study in Turkey, but they don't know how to apply universities, how to reach the universities. So Maarif, for that reason, arranged the universities and they bring here. So once the universities came here, the students are going to get the admission. After admission, there is one other important step for the visa. We are guiding them how to get their visa. We are giving the visa consultancy. After visa consultancy, there's required some equivalent certificate and some translation of documents. We are guiding the students about that purpose also. After international flight ticket, once they are arrived to Istanbul, airport transfers to their campus or their accommodation, and we are arranging accommodation as well.
You are as well. You are arranging the accommodation, which is a very important for the students.
Yes, that's
those
true.
Who are going abroad for education. They have a very big problem.
True.
Like living. How can he live?
Yeah. According to their university, we are trying to arrange for them hostel. If it is the government and public universities are already providing hostel also for them, and we are also helping about their hostel as well. And another step, when they arrive to Turkey, they are going from here 3 months study visa. After reach to Turkey, they should apply their residence permit also. Because this the study visa, which study visa they are going to get here, it is valid only 3 months. Within 3 months, they must reach the Istanbul, Turkey, any city, and which is the nearest immigration department. They must apply their study residence permit. If the students want these services, we are providing these services also to in
Okay,
Turkey.
okay. One thing is a very main thing which is facing the Pakistani student. The Pakistan is a poor country.
Renewable.
Okay, and if we
They want
need a permanent residence, then
permanent residence. It is a there's some rules who can get a Turkish nationality. There's some criteria about that also, which is the people are making like a 450,000 US dollar investment, and they can apply eligible to apply Turkish national, and within 6 months approximately
6 months.
it's taking to nationality process.
Okay. Thank you, Tawakkal.
Thank you very
And,
much.
here we are with Mr. Tawakkal. He told us about his Turkish residence. If a student need to go permanent in Turkish, easily to get a PR from Turkey. Thank you once again.
Thank you very much for your interview, sir. Thank you.
जी आपको मिलवाते हैं, ये कैडेट कॉलेज हसन अब्दाल के स्टूडेंट हैं, ये तुर्किश इवेंट में आए हुए हैं, उनसे पूछते हैं। जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम, माय नेम इज़ रयान अरशद एंड आई एम हियर फ्रॉम कैडेट कॉलेज इस्लामाबाद। हम यहाँ पर एक्सपो पर आए हुए हैं टर्किश यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के लिए, और काफ़ी अच्छा लगा यहाँ पर आकर, क्योंकि काफ़ी सारे प्रोग्राम्स हैं जिनके बारे में हमें नहीं पता था, तो हमने यहाँ पर आकर काफ़ी ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन हासिल की।
तो आप इस इवेंट से मुतमईन हैं कि ये एक अच्छा इवेंट है, ये मज़ीद होने चाहिए और हमारे प्रमोट होना चाहिए हमारे लोगों को?
बिल्कुल, ये इनिशिएटिव काफ़ी अच्छा है, और खासतौर पर टर्किश यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के लिए, क्योंकि आप देखते हैं पाकिस्तान में USA और बाकी कनाडा वगैरह इस तरह की कंट्रीज से काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्सपोज होती है, लेकिन टर्किश यूनिवर्सिटीज़ की एक्सपोज आपको काफ़ी कम मिलेगी। और टर्की के अंदर काफ़ी अच्छे ऑप्शन आपके लिए पढ़ने के लिए, आगे अंडर ग्रेजुएट करने के लिए, मास्टर्स करने के लिए, तो डेफिनेटली एक बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है और इस तरह मज़ीद भी होना चाहिए।
उसके मुकाबले में हमारा मुल्क कहाँ खड़ा है इसका?
मेरे ख्याल से हमारा मुल्क भी काफ़ी हद तक इस मयार पर उतरता है, क्योंकि अगर आप देखें हमारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ जैसे कि नस्ट और फास्ट, काफ़ी हद तक अच्छे प्रोग्राम्स दिए जा रहे हैं वहाँ पर। मसला असल में यहाँ पर फैसिलिटीज़ का है, चूँकि बाहर यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में फैसिलिटीज़ काफ़ी आपको मिलती हैं, जैसे स्पोर्ट्स और बाकी अकोमोडेशन वगैरह, इसलिए आपको इतना ज़्यादा मसला नहीं होता। पाकिस्तान में इन चीज़ों पर थोड़ा काम करने की ज़रूरत है, वैसे अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वी आर गुड इनफ टू कम्पीट विद देम।
बाकी आपको यहाँ आके मज़ा आया इस इवेंट में?
काफ़ी मज़ा है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा लोगों से मुलाकात करने का मौका मिला हम लोग को यहाँ पर, एंड इट वाज टोटली फैंटास्टिक। काफ़ी सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ से हम लोगों ने पूछा उनके प्रोग्राम्स के बारे में, और काफ़ी ज़्यादा मालूमात हम लोग को मिली है यहाँ पर, तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अच्छा टाइम है।
तो आप मुतमईन हैं इससे?
जी बिल्कुल मुतमईन हैं। तो वही हम असल में पाकिस्तान में इस तरह के काफ़ी ज़्यादा और इवेंट्स होने चाहिए मेरे ख्याल से, क्योंकि ऐसे इनिशिएटिव्स काफ़ी कम ही देखने को मिलते हैं, और इस तरह की अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ और भी मज़ीद हमारे मुल्क में है, इसको फॉलो करना चाहिए।
बहुत शुक्रिया। शुक्रिया। आपको यहाँ कोई स्टूडेंटों से मिलाते हैं, इनसे जानते हैं इनको यहाँ आके कैसा लगा? अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसा लगा आपको?
से सारे जो स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स आए थे, मुख्तलिफ यूनिवर्सिटीज़ से, टर्किश यूनिवर्सिटीज़, सब के अलग अलग क्राइटेरियाज थे, और सब जो है बड़े अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ थे। स्कॉलरशिप पाकिस्तानी स्टूडेंट्स को दे रहे हैं पाकिस्तान में, बड़ी अच्छी बात है, हमें अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए कि पाक-तुर्क मारिफ ने हमें ये मौका दिया, और हमें इधर पेशावर से स्पेशली आए हैं ये इवेंट अटेंड करने के लिए।
तो आपका मुस्तकबिल में कोई ऐसा प्लान है कि आप बाहर जाके एजुकेशन अपनी कंप्लीट करें?
जी बिल्कुल, मेरा इरादा यही है कि मैं टर्की में अपना फर्दर एजुकेशन जो है बैचलर्स में बाहर से ही करूं, और पाकिस्तान में तो आपको पता है हालात कैसे हैं, और एजुकेशन का सूरत हाल भी बड़ा ख़राब है, तो इसलिए बाहर से करूँगा।
तो मज़ीद आप क्या चाहते हैं कि इस तरह के फंक्शन पाकिस्तान में होने चाहिए कि नहीं?
बिल्कुल, स्टूडेंट्स के लिए तो होना चाहिए कि गवर्नमेंट भी इसे जो है इनकरेज करे, हर जगह हर सिटी में होना चाहिए, सब स्टूडेंट्स के लिए होना चाहिए। जितने भी हमारे स्कूल्स कॉलेजेस हैं उन्हें इनवाइट करने चाहिए, और बहुत ज़्यादा होने चाहिए ऐसे किस्म के इवेंट्स। स्टूडेंट्स को एक्सपोजर मिलता है, इंफॉर्मेशन मिलता है यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के बारे में, उन्हें पता लगता है कि बाहर की दुनिया कैसी है, कैसे एडमिशन्स मिलते हैं, क्या क्राइटेरिया है, तो ये अच्छी बात है।
चलें, शुक्रिया। आपको एक और भाई से मिलाते हैं। अस्सलाम वालेकुम भाई।
वालेकुम सलाम, मेरा नाम हसन है। मैं इस्तांबुल गैलिशियम यूनिवर्सिटी की तरफ से यहाँ टर्की को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ, पाकिस्तानी स्टूडेंट्स को मोटिवेट करने के लिए टर्की की तरफ कि वहाँ के एजुकेशन के लिए और एक ब्रिज बनाने के लिए पाकिस्तान और टर्की का हम यहाँ पर काम कर रहे हैं। डिफरेंट हमारे पास डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं, इंग्लिश के भी, टर्किश के भी, और पाकिस्तानी स्टूडेंट्स का बहुत एक ह्यूज किस्म का रिस्पांस था। सुबह से हम देख रहे हैं, एक दिन हमने पहले लाहौर में देखा है, मारिफ का, इसका बेहद शुक्रगुजार हैं, अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी के शुक्रगुजार हैं यहाँ पर टीचर्स के और उन लोगों के। एक बहुत ह्यूज किस्म का रिस्पांस था जो हम एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहे थे। यहाँ पर आने के बाद हमने देखा इसको।
तो मज़ीद आप मुस्तक़बिल में पाकिस्तान के बच्चों के लिए और मज़ीद इस तरह के इवेंट लॉन्च करेंगे और मज़ीद इनको क्वालिफिकेशन के बारे में आप कोई गाइडलाइन देंगे?
ऑलरेडी टर्की के अंदर इस टाइम 4500 से ज़्यादा पाकिस्तानी स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो पढ़ रहे हैं डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के अंदर, और तकरीबन तभी सेटिस्फेक्शन के लिहाज से, वहाँ की एजुकेशन की क्वालिटी के लिहाज से, इन्वायरमेंट के लिहाज से बहुत ज़्यादा मुतमईन है। मल्टी नेशनल कंट्री वहाँ पर है पड़ी, डिफरेंट नेशनलिटीज़ के लोग वहाँ पर पढ़ें, और इंशाल्लाह देखेंगे इसको रिस्पॉन्स जिस तरह का यहाँ पर था। मेरा ख्याल है कि आने वाले वक्त में मज़ीद इस तरह के प्रोग्राम हो ताकि और ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट यहाँ से वहाँ जा सकें।
जब ये अपनी क्वालिफिकेशन कंप्लीट कर लेंगे तो क्या आपका तुर्किश में इनको जॉब्स वगैरह फैसिलिटीज़ दी जाएंगी इस तरह की?
डिपेंड करता है पर्सन के ऊपर कि वो क्या गेन कर रहा है अपना वहाँ जाके टर्की के ऊपर। जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ तो डेफिनेटली वहाँ पर भी होती हैं। यूरोप की तरफ भी गेट वे इसी को इसीलिए कहते हैं कि यहाँ से आप यूरोप की तरफ मूव कर सकते हैं। बहुत ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स हमारे टर्की के आने के बाद वहाँ मूव कर चुके हैं, कुछ कर रहे हैं, कुछ टर्की में जॉब कर रहे हैं, कुछ वापस आके पाकिस्तान और टर्की के लिए एज अ ब्रदरहुड कंट्री है हमारा, दोनों का एक दूसरे में जो ताल्लुक है वो सब जानते हैं इसको। तो इसमें आके वो लोग देखते हैं कि इसमें किस तरह की अपॉर्चुनिटी उसकी निकलती हैं। मेरे ओवर लिहाज अगर मेरे से अगर पाकिस्तानी स्टूडेंट पूछा जाए तो मैं सबको रिकमेंड करूँगा कि टर्की को वो देखें डेफिनेटली, लैंग्वेज सीखने के लिहाज से, कल्चर के लिहाज से, डिफरेंट ब्रिज बनने के लिहाज से। आई विल डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड टर्की।
शुक्रिया,
बहुत शुक्रिया।
ठीक
है।
जी हमारे साथ इस वक्त जैम यूनिवर्सिटी के डायरेक्टर मौजूद हैं और हम इनसे बात करते हैं कि ये यहाँ पे क्या सब्जेक्ट ऑफर कर रहे हैं। वेलकम सर।
Welcome. Thank you for this opportunity.
सर your good name?
Mehmet Savur,
Mehmet Saud. You are from University of?
Istanbul Sabahattin Zaim University.
Okay. Why you are here and what subjects or courses you are offered by your university?
This is the second time in the Pakistan. We have visited Karachi, Lahore, and Islamabad. We are here to give the scholarship to Pakistani students. We have many Pakistani students in our university. We are offering engineering faculty in computer science, software engineering, industrial engineering. Also, we are famous with the political science and international relations, international trade and finance. In our university, we are offered three languages: Turkish, English, and Arabic. Also, we are giving 25, 50, and fully funded scholarship in our university.
You are also fully funded courses offered to the Pakistani students.
Yes, exactly. Every year we are offering fully funded scholarships. Also in the computer science, we are offering fully funded scholarship in the PhD. Also fully covered scholarships. Also in the bachelor degree we have. So students have choice to study in bachelor degree, master degree, or PhD with fully funded scholarships.
And your bachelor degree duration, please?
Yes, 4-year bachelor degree. But in the some programs, for example, if you choose software engineering, we have Turkish and English language at the same time. Why we are doing this? Because many international students, after their graduation, they also want to work in Istanbul. So it is very a special thing in our university. When you study software engineering, when you graduate, in your diploma it will be written Turkish and English. So whether you go Europe and return to your country, you will have chance to continue your education in Pakistan, in Europe or Turkey, and also you can work in both countries.
Okay. And your master program for 2 year, 1 year?
Our master program is 2 year.
2-year program. What is your requirement if a student to get admission in your university?
If students want to get fully funded scholarship, we are looking for SAT or US exam, and when they provide all information to our website, also we are looking for the essay, motivation letter, and when we all evaluate that, and after that we are offering our scholarship, and it is free to apply our university, and in 3 days we are offering our official letter with the students.
You have any subject for like artificial intelligence?
We have computer engineering and software engineering.
Okay.
Also, in the near future, we are planning to open the new program as artificial intelligence and other engineering faculty programs.
Okay. What you say the approach of Pakistani students today? You organize a seminar, education seminar here, and what you say about the approach of Pakistani students here in your expo?
It was very good. Also, I can say that, for example, in our university, in total we have 11,000 students, 2,000 coming from like 104 different countries, and one nation is Pakistani. They are famous with our university because we have nearly 90 students from Pakistan. For example, every year we are doing International Day, and they are offered in the stall biryani and other food to Turkish and other nations. So we are happy to have that in our campus. Also, in this fair, we are seeing that they are very interested in not just our university, but studying in Turkish university, which is very exciting to us.
You mean to say you got a good response from the Pakistani students?
Yes, exactly. They are coming from their family, their teacher. They are asking the good question, and also they want to get more information after this fair. So they are also following our social media, and so this is the sign that they like this fair. Also, they want to get more and more information after that.
And what was the behavior of Pakistani students?
They are like brothers. Most of them, they are saying we are brother countries.
Okay.
Also, we have some thing when we offer our traditional colonia. It's a kind of perfume. They like the idea because I think they love to see something from the Istanbul and Turkey. So that's it, I think.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.